right, just fixing the live stream issue. Yes, fixed. Okay, so today's agenda is going to be very simple. So today we're going to be covering the following aspects. Okay, so one is the identity transformation, which is very, very important to the fundamentals. I've seen many, many people in the game who will go. If the foundation is not strong, things will collapse. What happens to a building if the foundation is not strong? So this was day one. Day two, we're going to be talking about principles and foundations once again. So you're going to be covering the principles, P, and foundations, F. And then today we're going to be seeing both Claude Code with Grok. And we're also going to be looking at our secret method to start earning on the side. So how many of you would like passive income? Type P in the chat box. PA is for passive income. At least 50,000 a month on complete autopilot. Yes. Thank you. Yes. Passive income is important because if your active income dies, which it can happen, or if you have no active income, then you at least need some passive income, which is a secret methodology, how beginners are able to do this really, really well in our community. Okay. So first, let's go and get started. Okay, we also looked at a few principles, which is many of you are focused on monthly survival. Now you want to do growth. Okay, we looked at agents, which is how to automate boring tasks. We looked at nodes, how nodes are the beginning of any sort of automation. And finally, we looked at which agent is correctly set up. We looked at my own offer and journey. Okay, a little bit more. So this is 1994. My father and my mother. I was a very, very shy kid. Right, my father always said, "Be invest or actually pay attention first to Saraswati Devi, which means, the goddess of knowledge. And then Lakshmi Devi will follow." So type S if you're in agreement with that principle and that source. Yes. And so I grew up in Middle East. So that's where my parents were there for 26 years, right? And if you can relate with me on this, type 1 in the chat box. Okay. So I come from a complete, very non-technical background. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to be building and shifting your identity. So I have a few questions for you that we will start working with. Okay. Now, in terms of automation, first thing I want to talk about a simple automation. What is the workflow to read an email and mark it as spam? So type in the chat box that. Just 30 seconds, give me the answer. What is the workflow to read an email and mark it as spam? Open email, read, evaluate, mark it as spam, Outlook rules, address of the email. Yes. So if I give you a simple workflow, so you get an email notification, you're going to read and you're going to delete the spam. Is that correct? Yes, that is indeed going to be correct. Perfect. So the workflow to read an email and mark it as spam is this. Perfect. Good. Now, how long does this take for you? As a manual, how long does this take for you? Two to 10 minutes, depending on the email. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Yes. Right? So how long does an agent take? An AI agent, you click on the spam, get the message and delete the message. Or if it reads the spam, it will just process it. And how long could this agent take? Anybody knows the answer to this? Few seconds, milliseconds, nanoseconds. So are you seeing? So what is the difference you have in this? How much difference did you see in it between manual and human? Saves time. Is that obvious? Type O if it's a no-brainer. O for obvious, super easy. So, okay. Somebody saying it's not about the time, it's the benefit of not needing to do that task. Yes, okay. But is it obvious that if I automate something, time is also getting reduced? Type O if it's obvious. Type N if you think it's not obvious. Many people are saying, oh. Okay. I repeat the question. When automation happens, you're saving time. First off, everybody agrees. In this case, at least the email, you're going to be saving time? Yes. Type 1 if you have understood the fact that you're saving time while emails are being opened. Good. Now, is it an obvious thing? Every time I automate, will I be saving time? Type O if you think it's obvious. Type N if you think that is not obvious. There are examples of automation that doesn't save time. Everybody's saying O. Not always. Okay. Can you give me an example when automation happens, but time is not saved? Let's take 30 seconds and type in the chat box. Can you give me an example in real life? Maybe you can think of it in your kitchen, in your car, or as a software. Okay. Somebody's saying self-driving car. Good. Anything else? Any other example where you do an automation, but it doesn't save time? Okay. Let's take 30 seconds. Okay. So if you look at this, so automations, most automations save time. Type O if you agree with me on this. Yes, there are automations that do not save time. Okay, so type 2 if you want some examples of this. For example, how many of you want to see examples of this? Type 2. Excellent. Okay, so if you look at, so my mom's, all our moms are old school. So whenever I'm in Hyderabad, I like washing utensils for my mom and grandma. How many of you have done that? Type G in the chat box. Okay, so I wash utensils by hand. Okay, so they make main coats, etc., and I wash utensils. Okay, when I'm with Neeta in the US, she has a dishwasher. So every time there's a behavioral change for me because I have to go from like, okay, washing utensils to dishwasher. How many of you have used a dishwasher? Type D in the chat box. I have seen that it takes me 30 minutes to wash my mom's utensils. Usually, because there are plates, there are fork, there's no fork knife, but usually there are 3, 4, all those plates and everything, right? Even here with Neeta, it takes me 30 minutes to clean the dishwasher, as in the plates, at least one level, and then immediately load the dishwasher and it has to run. So the automation happened, but was there a time saved? Type N if there was no time saved. There was no time saved, except for the hassle and the of washing plates and all of that. But and of course the load is much more. Net it is the same for a guy like me, like who eats very very simple meals, right? Another example. When I actually am in India, I see my maid, our maids who come in, who clean the house. You've probably seen that. When they clean the house, so my grandmother and my mom, they hire a help. They give her like I think 3,000 or 4,000. Like she comes at 6:30 a.m. and my grandmother is behind her and she inspects all the cleaning. Type C if you're clear with that. This lady takes about 45 minutes. I'm talking mostly about not 45 minutes, you can say 30 minutes. Let's say 30 minutes for the cleaning. Okay? 30 minutes you can say. All the bedrooms, all the this one. Now, here with Neeta's place, same cleaning, same mopping, same, okay? I use a Swiffer, which is like a semi-automated cleaning. And then I also use a vacuum, etc. It takes me roughly the same time, 30 minutes. Did I save time? I automated or semi-automated many of the parts, but did I save time? Type N if this was a bulb on moment. Okay? Type N if it was a bulb on moment for you. All automations need not save time. So these are, of course, hardware examples, right? Even if you use the robot that cleans the floor, etc., it'll take you 30 or 40 minutes, depending on that. But there's significant convenience. Okay? Similarly, but when you do the AI agentic automation or AI agents, right? Or when your software are appifying or identifying all your apps, right? The automation saves you the hassle, which is the work, and it also saves time. So you get two benefits. Type 2 if you're absolutely clear about this. You're saving the work and you're also saving the time, which is actually the biggest benefit. Okay? Type 2 if you guys understood this concept. Right? So coming back to this example, when you open an email and write maybe a small program for that, so you open email, then you read inbox, and then you delete your spam. So this took a minute, maybe 2 minutes, 5 minutes manually. This took a second, less than a second. So imagine this time save for yourself or company when you can automate as many boring workflows. So type C if you now know why layoffs are happening and why correspondingly many layoffs will continue to happen. That is the truth. Okay. And that's why this is going to be perhaps even a bigger industry, $1 trillion industry. Nothing is more faster and easier than this. Okay. Because automation is able to save time and effort and manual repetitive tasks, the layoffs are happening very, very fast. And AI is indeed the easiest and the fastest way. So now, here, what are the guiding principles? Once again, I want to reinforce this. Type P, why beginners are able to do significantly better than advanced people in our community. I want everybody type P to relearn learn the guiding principles. And in half the time as possible. Number one, my mentor had told me, Jay, you're a genius. Information is not your problem. There are too many options. That is the problem. Focused implementation and focused information is the main thing. Even now, I have only 4 to 5 apps on my phone, right? The most important ones. And even now, I know many of you are doing other things, but some of you are making notes, very, very important, right? Number two, my mentor had told me systems work, people fail. If there are 6 steps to make a pizza, if you jumble up the steps, what will happen? You won't get a pizza, you won't get anything. There's a system-driven approach. And my mentor, if he had requested me to stand on a right leg for 90 days, I would do that. Not that he asked me to, but I'm just saying. And finally, don't be cheap on your way to greatness. You all want that great salary or great income or great coaching, right? You have to invest in a premium. You cannot become a neurosurgeon watching free YouTube and Udemy videos. I also made that mistake at IIT Madras. I was, using a lot of cracked software, etc. But you won't get anywhere. You have, unless there's a financial proper karmic exchange, and all of these are laws determined by already. Type 3 in the chat box if you're in agreement with me on these 3 principles once again. Very, very, very important. Okay. Are you going to invest, something low quality for your child? No. Then why are you doing it for yourself? Are you going to do something low quality for your parents in terms of education or healthcare? No. So why are you doing it for yourself? Yes. Okay. So we looked at AI is the fastest way, AI is the easiest way, and we did it so you can do it too. Now, we looked at the Bun framework. Now we're going to go back and answer a few questions on Claude Code and Lovable. Okay. So let's go and do that. Okay. So I'm going to go to how many of you had used Claude? Type C in the chat box. I know many of you have used Claude. Type C. How many of you have not used Claude? Type N in the chat box. I'm getting one. Oh, 1%. Whoever has used Claude, type C. Yes. If you have not used Claude, type N. Okay, good. How many of you have used Grok? Type G in the chat box. G for Grok. Yes, good. I'm getting one. If you have not used Grok, be careful and write this. Type K in the chat box. Okay, so how many of you want to know a small story? Type S in the chat box. Yes, many people have not. Okay, so yesterday we looked at the fact that, one sec, sorry. Okay. Yesterday we looked at the fact that, so I'll come to the story in a quick minute after this small concept. This is the one secret that our community members who are absolute beginners are able to actually beat and outbeat and grow faster than even advanced people. Type 1 in the chat box if you want to know it. Okay. And I'm going to give it to you guys for free because I genuinely like you and I love you because you are actually taking action. Okay. Good. So we yesterday came across the fact that all the AI and intelligence you can purchase or you have access to, right? Type AI in the chat box. For instance, you know how to go to ChatGPT. Good. You know how to go to Claude. You know how now to go to Grok. You can purchase your intelligence. What does purchasing intelligence mean? How many of you have gone when you're trying to go to the airport, you open up Uber or Ola and you're able to see, you can see the basic Uber model. You're able to see the X model, which is a little faster. I don't know what the entire names are, and the XL model. Suppose the cost to the airport is, let's say, 1,000 here, and this is 1,500, and this is 2,000. Depending on your usage, do you guys not, how many of you have experienced you can go and push a button and you can get one car? Yes, type 3 if this example made sense for you. Suppose you want to go to the airport faster, maybe you are stuck for time, you do the XL. Suppose you have a lot of luggage, but you don't have the budget, maybe you do the X. Type 3 if this example made sense to you. If it didn't make sense to you, type 0 and I'll repeat it. Nobody's going to the airport nowadays. People are only sitting at Netflix. Okay, I am telling you a analogy or a metaphor. You on demand are Brahma because you can summon a car on the push of a button. How many of you have seen that? Type 3 in the chat box. How many of you use Uber or Ola? Right? Type U if you've used Uber or Ola. Yes? Guys, catch up. Okay, good, very good. So now you can purchase the kind of speed, convenience, right? You have three cars, you can purchase any one of them depending on your budget and your use case. So type 3 if it made sense, all of you, right? If your budget is 1,000 rupees to go to the airport, you can use this. If your budget is 1,500 and you have a little more luggage, you can use this. If your budget is okay and convenience and you want to do a lot more speed, you can do 2,000. Depending on your use case, you can purchase the car that you want for that ride, or you can spend it. So type 3 if it made sense. Good. Similarly, depending on your use case, you can purchase tokens or intelligence. Type I if it is making sense. And this is for the first time in history. Normally, you can't purchase intelligence unless you're hiring somebody. There also you're giving them a salary or something. You can purchase intelligence depending on your use case. Okay. Now, my belief is that Grok is going to be the world's best computer right now. Why? Ask me why in the chat box. Best AI. Yes, somebody already knows this. My older students know this. How many of you know why Grok is going to be really, really good? Okay, I'll tell you. So here's the story. So some time ago, I was with my friend. He's also IIT Madras, really smart guy. But he's also a gold member, by the way. So we were watching a podcast, and in that, Musk was showing us something. So SpaceX went public for $1 trillion or more. And listen to this very, very carefully. When it went public, it told most of its revenue came from Starlink. For those of you who don't know Starlink, Starlink is like that, just a solar kind of based router, just like your Airtel, Vodafone, or ACT. How many of you have a private router where you purchase internet? Type I in the chat box at home. Okay. Yeah, everybody has a private internet, right? You might be paying Hathway, broadband, ACT, Airtel, Vodafone, Geo, BSNL, something will be there. Okay. Now, Starlink is one of the, its revenue is increasing big time. So if you look at it, the mission for them is to colonize Mars, right? And Mars has every 2 years, the Earth and Mars have a small orbital, very, very small orbital overlap, right? And that next one is, and for the first time, the next one is happening in December 2027. In 2027 December, right, which is roughly 1.5 years from now, for the first time, this will be an unmanned space mission to Mars. And there are 5 launches coming up after that. So 2027, 2029, 2031, and 2033. Okay. So every year, every 2 years, there's a small window of opportunity when the two planets align. It makes it convenient. Now ask me what is the best part. Type B in the chat box if you want to know the secret sauce. Okay, type B if you want to know this. Okay, so Musk's secret is, or the insight, if you actually look at the papers and the research, and this is a secret nobody knows, and that's why you guys, this is destiny. Type B in the chat box if you want to know this. So Musk and Musk's team have shared that for that launch, they have been preparing not 1 year, not 2 years, not 3 years. They have been preparing for 25 years. How? SpaceX started 16 years ago. So you have the SpaceX satellite launch. You have also the Tesla. Tesla is the one that is giving the gigafactory and all of the competence on the robots. And then finally, what's also very, very important is the XAI, which is the AI. So all these 3 pieces have to come together for the first time to send a unmanned mission to Mars. And they're coming together. And for the first time, they're sending satellites to the space to harness sun's energy directly. because AI is all about tokenization and inferencing. Okay, so all three things are coming together, and no other company has this competence. Not yet Microsoft, not yet Nvidia, not yet OpenAI, not yet Claude. Claude is not a hardware company. All three things have to come together for the tokens and this AI to become very, very smart. That's why Grok is going to become one of the best AIs right now, if not already, as time progresses. So type G if this was a genuine bulb on moment for you. Okay. What is happening? All of the pieces are coming together, and right now the inferencing, or what meaning the way the AI is behaving, is going to become very, very, very next level. You can go and watch the Terafab video. Right now, nobody's teaching this outside, and we have also tested the experiments. How many of you want to access straight away to the best? What I believe is the best. It's going to be significantly better than Cloud Code. What is there? Using Grok AI. Type G if you want to learn and do it. Even if you haven't understood the high level picture, no problem. How many of you want access to the best and the fastest right now? Yes, all the other companies are playing catch up because they are very, very difficult problems to solve. Software you can crack, which Claude has cracked. Hardware you might crack. Nvidia has cracked hardware. But robots and space is very, very different. Only a crazy guy like Musk can do it. Okay. But we're going to use his technology and do this. Right now, we're going to be doing. So for that, first task is very simple. I'm going to go to Grok. Don't do it with me. And I've also changed the interface. So step one. Advanced Technology Fab. All right. So here's the task. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a series of questions. Okay. And you have to submit on the feed. And as always, the first person to submit this gets 50 gold coins. Okay. Are you ready for the challenge? Type C in the chat box. Okay. I'll show it to you step by step and then you follow me. Are you okay to learn from me? Okay. And before, how many of you would like to see a small video? Type V in the chat box if you want to see this video. Okay. It's game changing. It's actually next level. Are you able to hear it? Type H if you're able to hear it. No. Okay. Let me fix this. Okay. Seems like I have an audio issue while sharing. It's weird.
In the Advanced Technology Fab, we will have all of the equipment necessary to make a chip of any kind, logic or memory, and we will also have all of the equipment necessary to make the lithography masks. So in a single building, we can create a lithography mask, make the chip, test the chip, make another mask, and have an incredibly fast recursive loop for improving the chip design. To the best of my knowledge, this doesn't exist anywhere in the world, where you've got everything necessary to build logic, memory, and do packaging, and test it, and then do the masks, improve the masks, and just keep looping it. So this is we're really going to push the limit of physics in compute. And we're going to try a bunch of wild and crazy things, which you can do if you've got that fast iteration loop. That I can't emphasize enough the importance of being able to make a chip, test it, and then change the design, do another one, and have that in a single building.
Yeah, so that's a little bit about the Grok's core, which they're doing. I know it might have been a little bit technical on that, but the goal is that because the designs are done it very, very fast, Grok is going to be, I believe, the most fastest. So we're going to be doing it right now. And Terafab is going to be sending, it's already the largest one, but the inflection point will come next year. Okay, so this is a 27-minute video. Watch it later. All three companies are coming.
In order to understand the universe, you must explore the universe. And that's the motivation to accelerate humanity's future in understanding the universe and extending the light of consciousness to the stars.
Yeah. All right. So that was a little bit about the Terafab. All three companies are coming together, and I believe, for the first time, and the inflection point is 6-7 months away. So you are not too late. How many of you feel you're already late? Type L in the chat box. No matter what you are, what is your age, gender, even if you have taken a gap, doesn't matter. All three things are coming together for the first time in history. So type 3 if you are genuinely inspired by that. Okay. And we're going to be doing it live right now. We're going to be using Grok right now on your profile. Okay, so let's now first go back to the task and do these. So I'm going to do a comparison analysis of all the three tools. Okay, first is we did Lovable. So we're going to continue on Lovable. Then second is we did Cloud Code and Grok. So we'll do Lovable and Grok. Okay, open Lovable and give it the identity questions for you and answer them in a separate section. Then publish these in the app. Small path. Okay. Second, open Grok in the browser and then do the identity questions. Bonus. Now here are the identity questions, okay? Okay, so a few questions. You can just take a early life, area 2, current state. Okay, so suppose if I say early life, as a child, my dream was to dash. So just say what you wanted to do. As a child, I tried doing in the past but could not continue is dash. As a child, I spent time doing is dash. As a child, my favorite activities and interests were dash. I regret today that I will not be able to dash. My talent I have never utilized is my life. My natural talent that I'm very good is dash. My current income, if your salary is something, or if you're doing a business, just write that. If you're zero, a homemaker, write zero. My last year's growth rate is dash. My top two problems with the job is dash. My desired income or growth is dash. Okay. So I'm going to do this on lovable. How many of you want me to do this on lovable? Type L in the chat box. Yeah. So I'm going to do this on lovable right now. Okay. So I'm going to go back to my app. So these three outputs on you're going to be doing, and make sure you keep a small secret. Okay. So that, it's not publicly accessible, because recruiters will have access to the other section. Okay. So remember to use ChatGPT as Copilot. So, okay. Keep a separate hidden section and keep the password for this as, so right now keep the password as, just keep your password as JAY. Okay. So you keep your password as admin123. Are you guys okay if I keep the password as admin123 right now? Later you can change the password. Okay. Early life. As a child, my childhood dream was to actually teach. I love teaching and coaching. Okay. I tried doing in the past, but could not continue is, I wanted to actually pursue sports, which I did not. Playing, writing, building system, reading books. Actually, you know what? Let's focus on the current state. Let's focus on current. This we can do it tomorrow. I'll keep this here. Yeah. My current salary per month. So per month is, let's say, 1 lakh. Insert your salary. My last year's growth rate is, let's say my last year's hike was 7%. If you have zero, write zero. My two problems with the job are, I had a bad boss. So Mandy Huang, my boss in American Express, was really bad boss and monotonous work. Okay. My desired income or growth is, I want to do 2 lakh a month in a good company. Okay. Yeah. So I'm going to build this and plan this. How many of you want me to build it? Type B in the chat box. So I'm creating a separate hidden section, which is private to me, but I want to see my own growth. Is that okay? Type B in the chat box. So I'm going to use Lovable, and I'm going to do the same exercise on Grok as well. Okay. I want to see the outputs. So I'm going to go to Grok, and I'm going to do the same exercise on grok.com. Sorry, Grok's not here. Let me go back here. Okay, let's do this. So I'm going to plan this. So this is getting planned. While this is going on, I'm going to be doing this on Grok. Grok, go to Grok's browser, and I'm going to be doing this. So Grok, I'm going to go and do this on the browser. Same questions. I'm going to be doing this. My current salary or insert is 1 lakh, 2 lakh a month. My two problems with the job are bad boss. Write genuine ones. If you're a homemaker, just say there is no growth or something like that. Bad boss, no growth rate. My desired income or goal is 100% high or something like that with a good reputed company. Okay. And then third questions are, okay, rest of the questions are here. If I continue on the same salary, I'll be losing out on personal loss. Not getting good savings for my kids. Not getting good savings and investments for my trading and crypto. Something like that. If I continue on the same salary path, I'll be losing out on, right, professional loss. Okay, this seems professional. Not having a reputed company for future growth, then not working on tough, challenging problems and getting bored. Family loss, yeah, this comes in the kids. Not able to help my spouse with expenses, living hand to mouth, all that. Okay, so I'm going to be using Grok here, and I'm going to be using Lovable uses actually Cloud Code. Are you guys okay if I do this? Yeah, I'm going to paste the community, the questions on the community. Let me finish this, guys. Okay, then we'll go to the dream. Then we go to the next section, dream. So now let's look at what the output Lovable had done. So it's going to say this. So I'm going to make sure you keep the private hidden, okay? Password. So this looks good. Let me approve it and publish it. Okay, so this is working. Okay, how many of you are ready to take the challenge? Type C in the chat box. Can you give the link of the cloud? No, so you have to do Grok. Do Grok and this. Yeah, you have to create a free account on Grok. It gives you 7 days free trial. Don't pay anything to Grok or Cloud for this. It's free. Lovable might ask for a subscription. You can pay some small money. $5 is fine. Yeah. So how many of you are ready to do the task and actually get to the world's best AI? Type L, and once you are on the leaderboard, there is time. It's going to be 10 minutes for you to do this task. So I'm going to be putting a 5-minute timer here. So you have 10 minutes for this. I need the both Lovable and this. So I'm going to go on the leaderboard here, and I'm going to be submitting on the leaderboard here the task. Okay. So go here, AI fellowship. Once I go here, so I'm going to pin this post. Third, Lovable private. So you're using a web agent to build a private section with password, 50 gold coins. Lovable private section with password. That's the first task. Okay. So type A if you know the first task. Second task is Grok browser. You're going to use Grok as the browser and do the same section. You get 50 gold coins for this. Type B if you're clear about this. I'm going to be pasting the prompt here, guys. Type B if you're clear about both these tasks. B for this, okay? And finally, so here are the prompts for you. So let me give you this. So in Lovable, keep an admin password, a small password, because uh, you know, I don't want others to see that. These are private, right? My current salary is dash. My last year's growth rate is this. My top two problems with the job is that bad boy. Write your own stuff. Write your income. Yeah, I'm giving you. So write your numbers. Are you okay? Don't write my numbers. Don't copy paste my stuff. Okay. My desired salary, write yours. Okay. This is the Lovable prompt. Grok also, just keep the same prompt. Grok is the same prompt without the password section. That's it. Everything same as above. Forget the password. That's all. Remove the password because a Grok browser is the same. Okay. And let me go back here. And answer these also. Let me go back here. Where is this? Yeah, right here. So here, should I write my answers or you guys are going to write your answers? I think I'll make sure you write your answers. Insert your first genuine reason. Insert your second genuine reason. So I'm not going to write mine. You write yours. Insert your first genuine reason. One. Insert your second genuine reason. insert your first general. I don't want you to copy my reasons. Please use your human GPT and do the second one. Okay, is that fair? Yeah. Okay. How many of you want me to post this? Type P in the chat box. So I posted this. Bums away. You have 10 minutes for this, and I'm going to pin that post. Human GPT means common sense, like just common sense. Okay, so it came here. Sorry, it came in the feed a little low. Just use this, okay? I'm going to be. So it came a little low, but use this. Okay, you have 10 minutes for this. I'm going to be putting a timer. Time starts now. How many of you are ready? 15 minutes. Let's do 15 minutes. Once you're done, just say done. On the app itself, you have to say done. Okay, let's look at what Lovable built for me. Yeah, so the private section is done. How many of you want to see my output? Yes, I posted. It's a little below. So let's go here. So the password is admin123. How many of you want to see my output? Type I if you want to see my output. Admin123. Okay, and fix all the errors that are there. It's fixing this error. Yes, I posted. You have to give a backslash. So whatever is your link, you can go there and hit backslash. So what if your link is krishnan.lovable.app, hit backslash or forward slash that. And any question you have, just put it on ChatGPT, okay? So I got the error here and I'm fixing the error. Yeah, can you go and heart this comment? I just posted this. Heart this comment. You're going to be getting the link here. Okay. And you also get points for hearting comments, guys. Okay. I pinned it and I got it here first. It's the first comment. Yeah. It's the first comment on community. Go and heart it. Okay. Yes. How many of you want to see my section? It's been built. Ready to see my output? Yes. Okay. So if you go to my output, it's still building. So, so this is my output. And I'm going to be posting it here for you. So current state person scratchpad only visible after unlocking. My current income is 1 lakh. My last year's growth rate is 7%. My top two problems with the job are bad boss, monotonous work, which was true. And my desired income is 2 lakh a month. Okay. And I've published this on Lovable. It's public for everybody with the password admin123. Okay. So I'm going to publish this link onto my app here. Okay. So J is done. Okay. And password is admin123. So I finished this. And Grok also have finished the task. Grok task also done. Okay. So I've used two AI tools to do the same task and you can check the output of what is doing better. Okay. You have about 10 more minutes. Let's go. Yes. Go and heart this message. I want everybody to do it. No excuses, guys. And I'll show you the Grok output also. Grok output is like this. It looked like this. You have to fill up these and Grok is going to give me the output here. Any issues, check with ChatGPT. Last 5.5 minutes, guys. Yeah, so for Grok, basically I'm trying to compare two AIs, right? So Lovable is built on top of Claude Code, and Grok is built on top of XAI. So you're just looking at the same answers, you're looking at both. So Grok gave me this answer, okay? This is the answer Grok gave me. Losses if you do, etc. And Lovable also if you did. Now, if you finished it, you just submit it on the community feed. I'm trying to show you like how the Uber example, you book a car for 1,000 rupees, you book a car for 1,500, you can purchase intelligence. Okay, last 4-5 minutes, hurry up, guys. The first person gets the 50 gold coins, 50 plus 50, 100 gold coins. Second person will get 99 gold coins. Third person will get 98, so on and so forth. Can't read out everybody's names, but select few people. Ajit, Balaji, Dinesh, Ganapati, GK Raju, Gautam, Jitendra, Krishnan, Mohammed, PS, Praveen, Rahul, Ramesh. Razia, good to see you, ma'am. How are you? Syed, Venkat sir, good. Venkatraman, yes. Yes, we have a winner. We have Rahul. Rahul has finished on Lovable. How many of you want to get Rahul on? Let's type R in the chat box and Rahul is going to come on. Let's get the first gentleman. And don't worry, guys, you are competing with yourself, not others. I'm getting others just for inspiration. Yes. Like I said, leaderboard and gamification works. Do it right now. Rahul, I've
Yeah, hello.
unmuted you. Yes. Can you turn your camera on?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Um, I think some issue with my camera.
Okay.
Uh,
You came yesterday, no?
so yeah, I came yesterday. I don't know. I think I had to
Yeah,
fix.
just fix it. Or you can join one more device. Two devices, you keep one on mobile and you can just keep one of them on mute.
Yeah, but I didn't finish. I only finished on Lovable. I didn't finish on Grok. I'm
Finish
still.
Grok. Yeah, it's okay. Finish Grok also. Grok is very important.
Yeah.
Yeah. How much time will you take?
For Lovable,
Grok.
no Grok. I think I'm still doing it. Not done yet.
Okay. And read the output. Okay, good. Yeah. And you can fix your camera and
Do,
come back.
do you want me to share the Lovable URL or?
You have to paste it. I put it like that, no? So that URL I've kept it like that in the same
Yeah.
format.
Oh, doing it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so he has some audio issues. He'll come back in a second, but he was the first person to submit. You don't need the artifact section on that. Hmm. For this task, you know. Yes, Venkatraman has done. Rahul has done. Tamim has done. Let's get the next person. Perfect. Let's get Venkatraman, sir. Let's get you on. Yes, you can unmute yourself. Promote you to panelist. Keep your camera ready and let's get you on. I have 4 submissions. Congratulations, guys. Can you keep your cameras ready so that I can get you on? Whoa, I have 5 submissions. Yes. Good to see you,
Hello.
Venkat. Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. Let's discuss your answers. Yeah, I will share my screen. Don't worry. I'm going to get it on. Let me check it out. Sections plus trusted admin. Wow. Where I stand and what standing still costs. Honest private stock for my eyes only. My current salary is 2 lakhs a month. Is that like roughly true?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Last year's hike was 5,000 per month. Okay, 60,000. Little on the lesser side. Top 2 problems. Bad boss. Mama, don't copy mine. I told you not to copy mine.
But it's true.
Work is not challenging and bad boss. Both are true, is it? How many of you have the same problems I had? Type 2 in the chat box. Okay, fine. Then that's fine. Desired income is 5 lakh in a good company. Okay, good. If I stay on this path, losing financial freedom. You want financial freedom?
Yeah.
Okay, good. But job will not give you financial freedom, no? Okay. Failing to build.
Sal
What is the meaning of, sorry, just tell that. First one.
no, the salary, desired income would give me the financial freedom.
Okay. What is secure future? Oh, no. What is this failing to build a secure future? What does secure future look like?
No, yeah. So if I don't upskill myself, right,
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Like anytime I know I can lose my job or
Okay.
uh,
Got it.
the career may be stuck. Yeah.
Got it. Okay. Stuck in my career. Yeah. Trapped doing boring tasks.
Yeah. Correct. Yeah.
Good. If I stay on this family laws, not being able to good at kids. Okay. How many kids you have?
I have one kid.
One child. Not being able to buy a dream home. Okay. Got it. Okay. How many of you are seeing genuinely Arumugan, sorry, Venkatraman sir's answers? And is it the first time you've done a private password protected public site?
That's right. Yes. Yes. Yes.
How do you feel?
Great. Great about it.
Excellent. Good. How long this took you totally?
I took roughly 5 to 10 minutes.
By 10 minutes. Amazing. Yes. Awesome. How many of you are genuinely inspired by Venkatraman sir? And what is your grok output? What do you got?
Grok output, I was not able to do it on my laptop because it's a company laptop and that
Okay.
Grok was prevented. So I tried in my mobile.
Okay, you got output, no?
Yes. How will
Okay,
I
good.
share? I don't know.
No, you don't have to
I
share
got
it.
the output,
It's
yeah.
private for you.
Uh-huh.
It's private for you, no? So what is the
Yeah.
differences you got in grok versus lovable?
Yeah, Lovable, it is very straightforward. Like what I gave, the output was pretty much the same, but Grok gave me a different perception about.
Top 2-3 points you can tell of Grok. You can read out top.
Give me a minute. Yeah. It gave me suggestions also, like what you're supposed to do to fix a bad pause problem, learn high income that matches what you should do. Those kind of suggestion it gave me
Okay, good.
in Grok. Yeah,
Okay. Have you used, is this the first time using Grok?
that's right. Yes,
Yes.
first time I'm using Grok.
Good. Perfect. Good. So, how many of you are genuinely inspired by Venkatraman sir? Type I in the chat box. Is one of the first to finish that. And how do you feel, Venkatraman sir? How do you feel using?
Yeah, I'm great. Yeah, doing good. Feeling great.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Namaste. Okay. Awesome. Super fast action taker. Um, how many of you are liking the community-based model of doing leaderboard and then, trying to rise on top? That's it. And support others. If you heart and comment, you get gold coins there. Oh my God, I have 6 submissions. Okay, both Lovable and Grok are there. And heart and comment. Every heart and comment, you're getting points with others also. Let's get Faisal on. Syed Faisal. So I'm going to promote Syed Tamim Faisal. Let's get Faisal on. I hope his shifting is done. Yes. Yes, you can turn your camera on and let's look at his website also.
He hasn't.
Amazing commitment. Doing it while in the shifting process also. So I'm going to be sharing Faisal's screen. And guys, later you can change the password. I don't need your password. So right now, just keep admin123. Career reality check. Private snapshot of where I am, where I want to be, and what is standing still. Is this true? You're at 1, right?
Yeah, not exactly, but yeah, close.
Close. Okay. Okay. Last year, no hike. Got it. Okay. Target income 30. So you're targeting 2.5 lakh roughly.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. Gap close 2.5. Okay. 2 problems. Office politics. Oh my God. Then definitely true. If I continue at 1 lakh, financial cost, any potential savings, comfortable life. If I continue at 1 lakh, professional cost, interest in my job. Okay. If I continue on the same path, family cost, won't be able to give good education for my children, won't be able to secure my children's future. Okay. These are all broadly correct, right?
Right.
Staying still isn't neutral. It's a compounding loss across money, motivation, and family. Okay, good. And what was your Grok's output? Top 3 summary items you can tell us.
It's giving me a Word document with that password.
No. Okay, so Grok, don't put the password because it's a browser, no? So you can change the prompt and just remove the password.
Okay, and I ask it to create a website or?
No, don't ask Grok browser to create website. Just the output is fine. You're now comparing two AI's outputs.
Okay, I'm still doing it then.
Okay, no problem. Good. How many of you are inspired by Syed sir? Type I in the chat box who has finished his task as well. Right? Type I in the chat box if you finished. So 4 people have finished. Oh, 9 people have finished. Oh my God. Crazy. Shweta, you have done it. Yes, you have done it. Guys, and if you follow people also, you're getting points on the app. Yesterday only I made those changes. Let's get Shweta ma'am's audio on. Yes, Shweta. And I'm going to take her app and I'm going to be doing it.
Okay, so the Grok one I was able to finish very quickly, and that was the first thing I did. And I asked for what are the suggestions. So the points basically I just gave short answers and they elaborated like very nicely. What are the what are my pain points and all, and they also and then I asked you what is the next step. So it asked me basically, would you like a suggestion on what would you require to sort this out? So again, I've got a really good write up of the things I need to do, structured learning courses, etc. This, so it's really impressed with Grok. Lovable was not so lovable for me because first thing I did was I went to the wrong site. I typed an extra E and I couldn't figure out why I'm not able to log in. So I went through my email and finally it was LOVABLE. So then I
No, no,
just
no. I gave you my referral link, right?
see, yesterday I was on phone, right? So I missed that part actually.
Okay.
So then it asked me to pay. So then that would require me to actually go to the other room, get my wallet. So I just said, so I asked it, I previously had asked it, can you show me exactly where it is? Because it's a very small dot. So can you make it bigger? So then it asked me for a paid version.
Yeah.
So then I read through the instructions. It's next to the remote work, a little bit, a couple of inches. There's this very tiny dot where you can access the entire thing. So there I got a very functional this thing, very simple. So
No,
my
okay.
answers
Where is your link to the private, the answer for lovable?
are that I'm not able to figure out how to do it, but I can show you that. Um, okay,
No, no.
I
So you
can.
go back to lovable
Wait,
and make a private section with the same prompt. No,
no, I have done that. No, it's just that. Wait, 1 second. Let me just.
no problem. Okay. You just figure out and come
So
back.
can you see this? Can you see my screen?
No, no, I can't. You have to
Okay.
update.
So that private link I'm not able to get. So whatever link I'm getting, shall I paste it?
You have
It's
to
all.
you have to publish and you published a link. No, okay. What is the
I've done that. I've done that actually. I've published it also, and I can see the restricted area. I need to put an admin, and then I have to unlock. All that is done. But
no
like
problem. Okay,
others are
take your
getting
time.
that private.
Take
Okay.
your time. Put any doubts on ChatGPT and submit the private. Others have done that. Read the feed of
Hmm.
others. Okay.
Okay, I'll do
Take
that.
your time. No problem. You have 5 minutes. Okay, cool. Guys, Lovable is built on Claude code. So it will give you one output. Grok is built on Grok. It will give you another output. Okay, no problem. Others, just go for it. If it's asking for a small payment, just do it. Lovable, you can. I've got 9 submissions so far. Let's get Razia. Razia, you have to publish your project. Without publishing, you won't get it. Yes, this is much better. So you guys are now able to see the differences in each of the AIs. Type 2, if you're able to see, just like how Uber, you can go in multiple areas and do it. Okay. Yes, let's get Venkat sir. Oh, you have 10 submissions. Venkat sir, you have to publish your project. Without publishing, you're not going to be doing it. How many of you finished publishing it? Okay, that's fine. No, no, I'm talking about Lovable. Lovable is on the public, right? I want it public with a password. So that way, you can make using an agent, you made a site that has a password, which is a great functionality. Oh, sorry, I forgot. I was on mute. Okay, guys, last 3 minutes. Finish the task. Venkat, if you have any issue, just put the task on ChatGPT. Yes, Venkat, you've now published and sent it. Yes, brilliant. Brilliant. So, Venkat sir, let's get you on. No, you have to publish the link. Yes, you have. Let's get Venkat sir on. No, Grok won't ask you for payment. It's free. First 7 days is free. You have to use just to open a new browser or something. There's no payment. Do it properly. If you have any issue, just put it on ChatGPT right now. Grok is not going to ask you for payment. Yes, let's get the next person. Ganapati, you have done it. You have finished the task. Ganapati, you have finished the task. Let's get you on. Congratulations. How many of you want to listen to Ganapati sirs? I like this. Ganapati, have you done it?
Can you hear me, Jayant?
Yes, can hear you.
Sorry.
No, we want to see you. Hearing is everybody hears everybody. Yes, there we go. Perfect.
Right.
No, your camera is not on. There's it's coming blank.
Yeah, for me it is on.
Yes, we can see
Right.
you. Perfect. Oh, good to see you first time.
Yeah.
Perfect. Good.
So
Good.
yes, that's a small bit which.
Nice. Congratulations. This is the first time you've done Lovable and you published it and you made a password protected site
That's
using
right. Yes.
using an agent. Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. What's your background, sir?
I am basically a project manager. So yeah,
So,
basically into delivery management and program and delivery management. Yes.
nice. Where are you based?
Bangalore.
Bangalore. Very good. Excellent. So let's look at some of your answers. So current income 1 lakh. Is that true or
Not true.
okay? Write your original numbers. At least
Sorry.
yeah. Write your original numbers.
Yeah. It's more or less around there.
Okay. Last year's growth rate, 0. Okay. Monotonous work, not being able to do new things and learn. That's broadly true.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Okay. So desired 90% growth. So you're looking at 2 lakhs per annum, reputed and stable. Okay, good. Growth of my
Yeah.
life enhancements. I plan to invest stock trading. Okay. Higher daily cost will decrease. Financial growth. Okay. Losing out better hype. May not be able to support. You've read your reason. All this you have read, right?
Yes, yes, I did.
Have you done the Grok also?
Not yet, Jayant.
Yeah. You don't have to pay for Grok.
And
Grok free account you can
I
use. Yeah.
got stuck somewhere, and
Okay.
yeah, I was doing it, but I thought, okay, publish it first, and then go to
Good,
the
good.
next.
Yeah. So you finished Grok. You're almost done. Good job on this.
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much. How do you feel first time you've done these?
Fabulous. You're a
Yes.
great teacher.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Yesterday you did the tasks also?
I did, yes. After the sessions and other things, I sat for another couple of hours, and then I posted both the things yesterday. Yes.
Brilliant, brilliant. Thank you so much. Amazing. Awesome. How many of you are inspired by Ganpati sir, who's coming in from Bangalore? Type I in the chat box. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, so he's also finished the tasks. Yes. Simple, very down to earth. And he's going to be doing that. Yes. Okay. Lovable payment, just do the 5. Don't do more than 5. Grok is free. Claude is free in India. Okay. Don't do anything more than that. Okay. Next person. Who wants to come and share? And he's done the private task properly. Okay, Venkat Koppu, you've finished the task finally. Yes, brilliant. Let's get Venkat sir joining in from Vizag. How many of you are okay if I support all of the people in the community? Yeah, Venkat sir, you can say. Yeah, let's get your camera on. Yes, to see you. How's your father?
Yeah, yes, sir. Good.
Okay.
Yeah.
I saw your answers. They're pretty nice. Dream keep
Yeah.
going. Now let's look at them once. You published. Okay, good. Very good. Where
Yeah.
am I? And I want to go. Okay. This is broadly correct or?
Yeah, yes, sir. That is correct.
Okay. Last year's growth height, but yours is this was a salary you're taking in from your Matchbox.
Yeah, actually, it's our own firm. Yeah.
Yeah, it is salary. Okay. Last year's growth rate is 10% for your salary or for your company?
Yeah, my salary actually. Yeah. Because the company is also growing such kind.
Yeah, it's coming down. Okay, you told me that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Top 2 problems with the job is not challenging, not rewarding. These are true?
Yes, that's it.
Okay. Desired is 2 lakhs in a good company. Okay. Let's open this. Okay, what I lose on this path? I can't buy my dream car. Okay, what is your dream car?
Yes, Mercedes Benz.
Okay, good. Which color?
Yeah, white color.
White color. Okay. You can't buy my dream house. Okay, dream house you want to buy. I'll not be able to grow in the AI wave. I'll not be able to achieve my AI career. My family cannot go on foreign trip vacation. Daughter cannot get on education. How old is your daughter?
Now she's 9 years. Yeah, 4th class. Yeah.
Okay, good. Awesome. First time you made a website with a password protected using agents?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes. This is the first time.
How do you feel?
Yeah, really excited about the project. Yes.
Okay. And Grok, first time you used?
Yes, the first time I'm using Grok. I've never used it.
Okay. And how was the Grok output different from Lovable output?
Yeah, actually, I'm working on the Grok. Actually, I don't know that I opened the other link. There it's asking for payment. Yeah.
No. Grok in India, you are forbidden to pay. If you are paying, you are not J student. Where you have to spend 1 rupee, you spend 1 rupee. Where you don't have to spend, don't. You have to just check with ChatGPT, put any photos, and just open another browser. You'll be able to do in 5 minutes. You'll do.
Yeah, I will do that.
Yes. You'll be able to do it. Do it on mobile, no?
Yeah.
Just log in on mobile. Grok, you don't have to pay. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Guys, are you okay if you save money with me? I'll tell you where to save and where to spend. Exactly. Type S in the chat box if you are willing to save and be correct, financially disciplined. type S in the chat box. Okay. If you're inspired and if you want to save inspired by Venkat Hanuman sir, type I in the chat box. And if you want to also save money with the right tools, right technologies, come with me on this journey. Okay. Pray that you get into IIT Madras. Yes. Now let's take the next person. Okay. Now I'm going to do one more task for you. One more. How many of you want to learn a new tool which you'll absolutely love? Type N in the chat box. Oh my God. GK Raj sir also has finished. Let's get him on. So he's also finished. So I'm not going to unmute him because he said he's a little unwell, but next level commitment for him to do. Current salary 50K, no problem. Last year's growth rate 10,000. Rural marketing, promoting digital skills, motivating to adopt future skills is challenging. Okay, good. Teaching standards, teaching staff and work environment do not match my professional skills. Yes. Desired income, at least 40K per month in a well-established company that values my skills. Okay. Oh, you want 40K more? Okay, good. Cost of standing still, personal loss. If I continue on same path, I will be losing out on. Yes. Teaching standards. Yes. Professional loss, limited career, underutilization of technology skills, family loss, reduced earning. Yes. Okay, cool. How many of you? So I think this was GK Raj sir's answers. So I'm going to say amazing to see you complete the class work. Okay. Amazing to see you complete the class work. Okay, good. Perfect. Good. How many of you are inspired by GK Raju, who was previously in the army? Thank you so much. This spelling of classwork is wrong. Okay, so now let's do one more. How many of you are ready for one more task? Type T in the chat box if you're ready for one more task. Oh, I got one more person. So both Venkat Kopu and GK Raju, you have to go to the community feed and do it. Please put on the community feed here. Okay. Okay, good. Let's get Razia. Razia, you can unmute your voice. I don't need to see camera. No problem. Razia, we can allow you to talk. Let's get you. First time you built this on your own? Razia, are you there? Yes, ma'am. I think you have an audio, you have to set it up. Okay, you can get your audio jack in and then we can talk. Okay. Krishnan, you finished Grok, good. Okay, no problem. You can do Lovable. Lovable is actually very powerful. It's built on top of Cloud Code. Okay, can I have your commitment? You will finish this task later because I'll bundle it with one more tool. Type C if you're okay with this. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, Razia, we can hear you.
Yeah, hello.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, sir.
Yes. I see you have finished it, but you have not done the private, no?
Yeah, I was searching what I missed.
So you have to just give it a prompt. Lovable, you have to just prompt it. I think I lost you. Okay, no problem. You can fix your audio and come back, okay? Yeah, okay, no worries. We'll get her back later. Now, next task. So what I'm going to do is, so one is that the WAPI is something that you can actually build in terms of that will keep repeating again and again. Yeah. So now I'm going to be doing Okay, let's do this. Guys, can you come back here? Please do the demo at 0.5x speed. Okay, I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'll try to slow down. The feedback noted. Thank you. Okay, how many of you are ready to learn? Let's do some learning right now. Type L in the chat box if you're ready to learn. So I have 10 people who have finished the task. That's amazing on the community feed. So congratulations to all the 10 people who have finished the community task. So type 10 in the chat box if you're super inspired by them. Yes? Congratulations to all of them who have finished. So these are the live participants who have finished. Right? Thank you so much. Now, what I'm going to do is 10 to 11 people have finished. Okay, good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the next task, which is before that, we have to learn a few concepts. Okay. So, okay. So T, understand, stabilize, and scale. Now, given that all things remain, software is getting automated, meaning building agents or using agents is getting completely automated. So type 1 in the chat box if you're seeing how easy it is. Even if you have not done the task, no problem. You are able to appreciate how easy it is by just voice prompting or just typing. Everything is becoming easier. Are you with me on this? Type 1 in the chat box, guys. You'll be able to figure out, guys, if 10 people have done, 12 people have done, that means others will also be able to do it. Are you with me? Type 1. Second, content is also getting automated. So software is automating a lot of things. Content is getting automated. So the most valuable will be live. I believe live like this because humans to human connection is going to be very, very important. Many of you have seen, I'm seeing your websites, etc. You have a lot of financial issues. There is a lot of stress and all, right? So how many of you want to know the one secret which beginners in our community, paid community, are using to actually earn side income and do very, very, very well on complete autopilot? So type A in the chat box if you are okay with that. You want to know that secret? And I'm going to give it to you guys for free because you guys are awesome and you have done the tasks. Not me. Data is showing it. This batch is really awesome because I have 10 people, 10 to 12 people who have done the task. So are you okay? Genuinely convinced that I can give it to you for free because you guys are the best batch right now so far. Fair enough? Yes. Perfect. BIO, bring it on. Yes. Okay. So you can get students from one source using AI, which is Facebook, and always do small batches online. Okay. So because live coaching or live teaching or is building small digital communities like this is the way to go. Correct? Suppose if you have a batch of just 15 people paying you for 999, right? 15 students paying you for 999. That's going to be about, how much is that? 75,000. Are you okay getting 75,000 on complete autopilot for anything that you like? Type 7 in the chat box if you're okay with that. Because Claude has already said that whatever you are learning right now might be obsolete even in 1 year. So you can even get laid off in a year because technology is becoming more and more powerful, right? As you can see the power of Grok, Claude, or even if you have not done the task, at least you're able to indicatively see the power right now. Correct? So first is a quick health checkup. Type R if your passive income means even if you're sleeping, you're not making money, is less than 50,000. Type O if 50,000 to 1 lakh you're making. Type G if you're more than in 1 lakh. Just type the color in the chat box. Okay, so yes. Now I want everybody to take it very, very seriously. We looked at this. We looked at this, and I want you to pay attention to this again. Which famous company said this role for 5.7 crores may not exist in 12 months? Type in the chat box. Which role? Famous company said this role may not exist. We have done this. I want you to do it again. Remember this. We just covered it. How many of you remember this? So this is a 5.7 crore job. Yes, we did this. And the answer is, look at the salary, look at the package. And the answer is, and look at the footprint. This role may not exist. How many of you are able to see that? Type E in the chat box if genuinely you feel that any job is actually replaceable. Correct? Are you able to see this? Guys, I want everybody to pay attention here. Can't read out everybody's names, but select few people. Dinesh. Gautam. Muhammad. Vinay, been very quiet today. Vinay. Yes. Okay. This role may not exist in 12 months. Yes. So this was Anthropic. Anthropic said this role may not exist in 12 months and you might not be able to do it. Right? So whatever you're learning is changing fast, but learning itself won't. So going back here, now I'm going to be telling you what to actually. So, but you still need income every month like clockwork. Right? So you need an opportunity where you can earn without actually stopping. So what can you do with an additional 75,000 on complete autopilot for you, for your family? And what fulfillment can you genuinely get by teaching and coaching people? Type 3 in the chat box if you actually are able to visualize this. Yes? Because live will get more and more automated. How many of you like it that even no matter all of us, like how imperfect we are or perfect we are, you like live? Type L in the chat box. Or type 3 in the chat box. Yes, I believe live events is best. So live coaching, live workshop, digital coaching, it gives you freedom. You can do it remote. I'm sitting here in New York and I'm reaching out and serving you guys. It gives you service and joy. It gives you impact. It is easy. It is fast. And we did it so you can do it too. And you have to design anything, something very, very basic and beginner, right? You can do AI for weight loss, AI for digital coaching, AI for healthcare, AI for stock market, AI for astrology, AI for spirituality, doesn't matter. Use AI, build the app, and you have already built the first cut of your personal site and app. How many of you are ready to take that public? Type A in the chat box. Yes? Why not take that itself to the next step? You made your landing page good. Take the rest of the section and we can blow it up and you can start making something more. AI for consulting, AI for parenting, AI for keto diet, AI for arts, AI for whatever. In Hindi, in Telugu, in Tamil, in Oriya, Kannada, right? So only target beginners. Never target advanced people. Are you saying, you're not going to learn and then teach. You're going to teach something that you're very passionate about, right? Or what you have any skill, and you'll only target beginners. Why? Never target IITians like me. Never target advanced. But don't you think there are enough people in rural India who can at least afford and who require your skills? Type A in the chat box if you agree with me on that. Right? Beginners. The beginner market is very, very big. Okay, so now this is how beginners are using in 15 minutes a day. They are actually even beating advanced people with a simple framework. What is this on the screen? Type in the chat box. Perfect. This is called the Con framework. It's nothing but create a free class like the way I had, given us free class or a 99 or 199, right? Then open for registration, run your webinars, and then nurture the audience, give them genuine value, and you can sell them anything you want, right? Now you might be telling there are so many people out there doing this. No, but your vibe attracts your tribe. You just need 15 people. Yes? Now, can I ask you a question? You purchase groceries and pay immediately, not after 30 days. You work for 30 days and then you get paid for work. Are you not losing out on the interest even when you work? Type 1 if you agree with me on that. Your salary is coming 30 days later for the current work, right? Is there a way where you can collect income first and then deliver? That way you can keep the interest and grow faster. Any ideas come to mind? Option A, work at a company. Option B, teach collecting tuition from students and start a batch later. A or B? Type in the chat box. Yes, B is good. Good. So you want, yeah, it's a win-win. You can collect now and after a month or two, you can start the batch, right? So here is a simple secret for today, which we're going to implement, where beginners are doing much better than advanced people in our community just by spending 15 minutes a day. Would you like to know that secret? Because you guys are amazing and I'm going to be giving it. So type IIT if you want to know that secret. Perfect. Good. So here, what is this? Type in the chat box what you can see. Pizza. You can see pizza. Good. Very good. So pizza framework is pick your weekly once. Just do like the way I'm doing. Or, like many invite with a simple $5. If you're in India, you've probably seen 99 or 49. Works all the time. I'm sure many of you have done it. And Zoom and get them and zero it. On that day itself, you can collect the payments. How many of you are okay with this? And whatever you make, you can for the next week. So you can cycle the cash weekly. So you have 4 cycles instead of 1 cycle. Are you okay with growing 4 times faster? Type 4 in the chat box. So in a month, you just need to spend weekly once on this. Yes? So you can grow faster. Okay. Somebody's asked me to repeat. So if you monthly, if you get a salary, it'll be once in 30 days, right? But instead here, when you're doing weekly webinars, right? What happens is once a week, you do this. Okay. Give them 60 to 70 minutes of pure value, teach them anything that you want, right? And then towards the end, you actually pitch and you sell. And then what will happen? They will pay you then and there using UPI or phone pay. Can you imagine 5,000 rupees coming into your bank account on that same day, right? And then because your marketing or your advertisements are running on Facebook or on Instagram, like sponsored ads, then you can add the profit back right then and there, and you can grow every week much more faster. Type 4 if you want to grow 4 times faster. How do I know this is working? Type 4 if you want to know how it's working. All of you came through ads. How many of you have clicked an ad of mine and come in? So this is not some earth-shattering science. It's a simple, easy one, right? And best part is you can target anybody in the world sitting at your comfort of your home. Just like how you're making AI websites right now. For your student, you will be telling them and guiding them through that. Okay? Perfect. Good. So now what you're going to do is you're going to do this on the final AI tool and agent. Type AI in the chat box if you're okay with that. How many of you are ready? And by the way, I got 11 submissions, guys. I got 11 submissions. Grok is completed. I want everybody to, even if you have not done, no problem, heart the other person. Be grateful in the success of the other person. Take 2 seconds and actually heart the other person's comment. I have finished hearting. I want you to heart everybody else. Why? That's how a community is actually built, and your success will come when you help others. So as you can see, 11 people have submitted it. Cool. Type 11 in the chat box if you're genuinely able to see this. Perfect. Good. Okay. Now we're going to be doing something very, very simple. Okay. I'm going to be showing you a mind-blowing new tool that you're going to be using. Okay. So first, I'm going to go back to Lovable. And I'm going to be, okay, once again. So are you ready for the new task? Type N if you're ready for the new task. Okay, so this is the task for today. So what I'm going to do is, okay, I'm going to be introducing it. Okay, so story time. Type S if you want to know a story. Okay, so last year when my business was kind of picking up, was actually we were reinventing the wheels, and I was doing a course for a big mastermind called Suresh Manshimani sir, and there I came across, I was teaching them SME. SME means small businesses, and I was teaching them AI agents. So are you with me? Type S in the chat box, right? And the audience was amazing. There were 140 business owners, etc. And at that time, in the process of the teaching, I came across this very, very, very good AI tool slash agent, right? Okay. And when I came across that, it actually blew my mind because the power, the kind of speed, and frankly, it's the most underrated, undermarketed thing. How many of you like that and would love to work with it? Usually, that we teach it in our paid community and how to use it, etc. But I'm going to give that for you for free right now. Type F in the chat box if you want that for free, because you guys are the best batch. But this is actually something that we give only in paid IITM Gold community, but I'm going to give it to you for free. How many of you want that? Type F in the chat box. Okay, this alone worth is actually really, really powerful. Okay, now I'm going to show you step by step, and then you are going to do it. I have enormous respect for the tool, for the AI agent and the agentic kind of speed and capabilities it has. I want everybody to do this with me. Okay. Yes, I can't call out everybody's names, but I want everybody to do it. Type F in the chat box. It gives me energy, guys. Come on. No. Those who have said yes is fine. Okay. Vinay, you've been very quiet. You didn't have lunch today. Razia is not going to say F. She'll only do the task very, very silently. Okay, good. Thank you, Balaji. Dinesh, very silent. GK Raju. Good. Thank you. Mohammed. Okay, so this was August of 2025, and things are moving very, very fast. And I had come across this tool, very detailed, does an amazing competitor analysis, and the agent capabilities are very, very good. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to be showing you for and introducing very, 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 very good tool called DeepSeek. How many of you have worked with DeepSeek? Type D in the chat box. First time you're hearing about DeepSeek, type 1 in the chat box. If you have worked with DeepSeek, type D in the chat box. If you have not worked with DeepSeek, type N in the chat box. First time hearing it, type N in the chat box. Okay, if you worked, good. So now we're going to be doing the same activity on DeepSeek plus Lovable. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you the prompt. So log into DeepSeek. First step, I'm going to log into DeepSeek. Guys, I want everybody to type. At least I'll get a sense of who has done it or not. Log in using Gmail or Google. Okay. Step 2, give it same prompt that I have shown you. Step 4, compare the two outputs and write it on the community. Are you ready to see me do this live? Type 4 in the chat box. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Okay. I'm going to go back to English. What on the chat? The remote. Oh, yeah, there you go. Chat.deepseek. Sorry, it's chat.deepseek. Okay. Oh, yeah. Sorry, 1 second. I'm going to give you this. I'm in the niche of teaching AI agents. Insert your niche, okay? Insert your niche. My target is working professionals. Okay. Insert a short description of this one. If you don't have a niche, just teach AI agents in your local language. That's fine. Okay. I am looking to earn rupees to charge rupees 4,000 for my level 1 coaching. For my level 3 coaching, it is going to be rupees 1.5 lakh. Can you please give me simulations of how much I can earn if I have 20 students online, 40 students online, etc. Please give me visuals of the above. Okay, so I got this and I got this. So now I'm going to be giving this and I'm going to say yes. Type Y if you want me to say yes on DeepSeek. Okay, guys, type Y if you want me to do this on DeepSeek. I'm going to say yes on this. And you have to insert these, okay? Just insert your answers. I'm not going to insert my answers right now. You do it yourself. Many of you have done this, so you can even copy paste from that, okay? Yes, I've done this, okay? Now, same thing. Okay, I'm going to stop this. Give me visuals of the above in images. Okay, so write your niche and do this, okay? So now I'm going to be giving you this prompt for DeepSeek. So let me go to the community. First is DeepSeek browser. Second is lovable app. Okay, so DeepSeek prompt, I'm going to be giving it to you here. Insert correctly there. Can you please give me simulations? Yeah, sign in via Gmail. Okay, so I put the DeepSeek prompt. Next, lovable prompt, put the same prompt. build reasonable visuals of each. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing this. Okay, so I posted it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin this. I'm going to unpin this, right? And I'm going to be doing this answer. So I got the answer of DeepSeek. DeepSeek gave me this. Now what I'm going to be doing this is I'm going to be going to Lovable and doing the same. So let me go back to Lovable. Let me paste the prompt here. Okay, so now let me paste this prompt. Okay, so if I don't answer, I will lose. Okay, you have 21 minutes for this. The prompt is pasted on the task, heart the message. Okay, so now Lovable is going to be building this, heart the message on the group. So I've kept it here. Okay, last task, 12 people have finished. I want all of you to finish this. Okay, you have 21 minutes. I'm keeping the timer right now. How many of you are ready to do it? I want to hear ready from each and everybody. I'm going to be unmuting one person so that you guys do it. Let's get one person. Type R if you're going to be doing this task, guys. And you're going to come on the leaderboard top. So you have 50 gold coins for this, as always. And you have 50 gold coins for the bottom. You do it on mobile. Do it on mobile, guys. Do it properly, and yeah, no excuses. Just keep doing it. And any issue, just put it on ChatGPT. If you have a company laptop, sometimes they might not do it because DeepSeek has a Chinese little bit of that. Okay, but you can do it. Okay, I want everybody type R in the chat box if you're absolutely doing this task. Okay, you have 21 minutes. The topper is going to get 100 gold coins. Second one will get 99. Third will get 98, so on and so forth. Balaji, are you doing it? Yes or no? Type R in the chat box if you're doing it. Can't read out everybody's names. Select few people. Dinesh, are you doing it? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, I'm doing.
Okay, good. You want to top it or no? Type. Are you going to top it?
I'm trying now.
Good, good. Very good. Excellent. Sorry, I want to put some pressure on you guys. I hope you're okay with me holding the highest standards. Yes. Ganapati, I know you're going to do it. GK Raj, I know you're going to do it. Govindraj, are you going to be doing it?
Yes, I'm trying. I'm actually having a network issue.
No problem. But are you going to do it? Are you going to top or no?
Yeah.
Good. I love it. I love that. Okay. Shweta, are you going to be doing it?
Yeah, I'm doing it, Jayant.
Okay, good, good. What? You're on Dolo. So should you be taking rest?
I will. I'm going to crash after this.
Are you sure about crashing?
Yeah, crash on the bed only. I'm just sitting on my bed only, so it's going to be easy. So I'll be safe.
Okay, good. But he's still doing, okay, sitting on the bed and still doing it. Amazing. Good.
Yeah.
Excellent. Next person. Oh my God. What? Okay, good. Have some break. Is your back erect on the bed or you're lying down and doing? Shweta.
No, no, I'm sitting on the bed.
Good. That's good. Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent. Next level commitment. Good. Next person. Let's get Razia. Are you doing it? Are you going to top the leaderboard or no? Razia, Bhopal. It's going to be hot for her then. Yeah, I think she has some audio issues. Good. Perfect. You have 21 minutes left, 16 minutes, 56 seconds. Let's do it. Guys, one small change, which is I want you to do this on, if DeepSeek browser is kind of not doing the images, just use it on Claude. Use the same on Cloud browser. Okay, I'm going to give you 50 gold coins. Okay, so I'm showing it to you right now. How do you do it? So go to Claude and I'm going to put the same prompt. Imagine my name is Jan, blah, 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 all of this. I go all the way to here. And I'm going to put it on Claude. Okay, Claude can draw visuals for you. Okay, I'm showing you right now. Can everybody take a quick second and see my Claude output? Claude will be able to build you the output. Yeah, you can feed the DeepSeek into Claude. That's okay. But I'm just giving you the. So it's giving you the walk-up visuals. Those images, if you want, you can attach it to the feed. Let me try and attach my feed. You don't have to pay Claude or DeepSeek anything. Lovable, you might have to pay $5. That's okay. Apart from that, you don't have to do anything else. That's the maximum you'll have to pay. So are you seeing how nicely Claude is able to do this? I got some really nice charts and bars and everything. Yeah. So yeah, the hack is use Claude for the visuals because Claude is very powerful in terms of visuals and all. So I will take the image of this. I will just compress it a little bit. Let me try and compress it. And you don't have to do this, but that's just optional. But for Claude, you get another 50 points, okay? I'll go back here. And I will upload it here. Let's see if I can upload it. Yeah. Yes, good. Okay, the upload photo is not working on my app. I'll fix that later. But rest of it, you have it. Okay. So once again, you'll have your opportunity to hit 150 gold coins, DeepSeek browser, Lovable app, and Cloud browser. Okay. Wow, Shweta, you finished Lovable. You finished DeepSeek. So you have to the publish site, you have to publish it. You have to keep it there. Now I'm going to keep my own publish site here. Let me get my publish site. Let's see what it's built. Got it. Guys, edit the comment and put your lovable site. Edit the comment and put your lovable site there. No, they're not able to get the images on DeepSeek. You have to put it on Cloud only. They're doing it on lovable publish, yeah. No, you need to publish. Only lovable you have to publish. That investment is worth it. The $5. Don't invest anywhere else for Cloud or DeepSeek. If you want, you can invest. Edit your comment, and how many of you are able to edit the comment and paste the link? I need the link. Simply saying done means nothing for me, no? Okay, great. Balaji, you have to put it on the community. If its community is not there, it is not a submission. I've given you 150 gold coins opportunity to earn. You have to put it on the community. Okay, Balaji, put it on the community and I'll get you on. Okay, you got it on. Let's get Balaji, sir. Oh my God. It's outstanding. How many of you want to see Balaji's? Type O in the chat box if you want me to get Balaji. Let's get him on. Yes, Balaji, you can come as a panelist. Balaji, let's look at your responses. I've promoted you to panelist, so please accept that. Yes, let's get you on.
Yes.
Yes. Oh my God, good to see you.
Thank you.
Yes, yes, good. Today you were a little quiet in the mornings. I mean, the previous time, no?
Yeah, I was been in the traveling. That's why I was unable to talk.
Okay, no problem. Fine. So I have your site open. I'm getting some
Okay.
network issues. How many of you want
Is
to see
that clear?
Bala? Listen to his published site. The cost of standing still, financial goals slip out of reach, career goes. Oh my God, you have all the pictures of your house. You in a BMW Z4. You love the BMW. So I did my honeymoon was in a BMW Z4. Great car.
Okay.
I love that. Kids at a top Singapore school, amazing place. Global online workshops teaching hundreds on live agentic AI. Brilliant. Oh my God, look at your six packs in Maldives. Amazing. Maldives is sinking, so you have to go fast. Maldives and Mauritius is sinking fast because of the sea level. AI Educator of the Year. Brilliant. Amazing. Let's look at your income simulator. Okay, you want to teach AI? Good. You can teach anything else or some basics only you can teach. You can teach. You want to teach AI or something else?
Yay. Like
Basic.
you.
Yes, yes. Basic AI you can teach. And look at your income simulator. So if you get 20 students, how much you're making?
I didn't get that calculations.
No, it's there here, no?
Yeah.
Okay. So do you play with these numbers? You can drag drop.
Okay.
You have to play with these numbers. So if you
Mm-hmm.
get 10 students, you're making 50,000. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. If you do 12 batches, you will get 6 lakhs. You're okay? You're comfortable with that?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Very good. Building my life, my family deserves. How many of you genuinely like Balaji sir's output? Type I in the chat box if you're super inspired by him. First time you have done this?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Yesterday also you did the lovable task, no?
Yeah, yesterday I had done, but this is in the picture of mine has been getting changed into that, right? This is first time I'm seeing even that BMW car and all.
Yes, yes, that's your vision board. Yes. So you can take a printout of this and keep it in your house with full family and put pixel tests.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will keep my kids and my parents' pictures as well in that because those are all the AI generated pictures of my kids and parents. I will
Yeah.
update that as well. Yeah.
Parents, kids, and put your wife also. And if you have
Yes.
siblings,
Yeah.
put it that your relationships are all healed and everything nice. Because
Yeah.
the more
Yeah.
visual you do, the better.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And you can also, I also kept some of my close friends, like school friends, one or two of them, college friends also. That also you can do. And also you have to do for bank balance.
Mm-hmm.
How many of you want to know an advanced trick which I tell my IITM Gold membership only? Type IIT in the chat box. Okay, I'm going to give it to you for free right now. This is very important. Just 1 second it will take. So when you're doing visualization exercise, I want everybody to type IIT. I know you'll do the AI task because you guys are gems. You'll be able to do it. When you do this, what you also do is you do your bank balance also, savings, mutual fund savings, because many people who earn, so, I also earn a lot of money, but sometimes savings might not happen. You need savings. So you have to keep one visualization prompt saying, my savings in bank balance is on autopilot. I have, let's say, 10 crore in savings, and they are generating the interest. You're getting clarity?
Yeah.
Yeah. That, and you keep one more real estate also, you keep one small thing for real estate also. Because sometimes you need liquid funds and you need illiquid funds also.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, because you will get the BMW, but what if you're cash trapped? Many people are there. Many rich people who don't have
Yes.
cash. Okay.
Yes.
So I've seen.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So you keep this kids' education. Kids go to top Singapore school and are studying well.
Mm-hmm.
That is also different. Okay. I've seen many rich friends of mine, their kids go to top schools, but they're doing nothing. You keep that there. Okay. And if you're putting your wife's
Yes.
photo, you say wife relationship is also very good. Don't just
Okay.
put
Yeah.
married happily, because being happily married is also very important. Rest is good. Okay. How many of you found that really inspiring and useful? Type I in the chat box. Because I was rich, but I was not happily married. Okay. Very. I had my father, but my relationship with my father was not very good. The very strict guy. Okay. How many of you, if I'm honest, type H in the chat box? Okay. So only if you visualize, you'll get it. Now my mother is alive. I have a very good relationship with her. I healed my relationship with my mother because I didn't want to regret the same with my father. Okay. So you have to use AI in a way it's beneficial to you in the long term. Okay, good. Everybody,
Thank you.
first time doing this. Oh, good. You feel good. I'm going to change your role to attendee. Thank you so much. Okay, who's the next person who's finished and sharing properly? Do this on Claude also if you can, and you'll get much love. How many of you are seeing the power of the visualization exercise? Let's get again Venkatraman sir. Let's see what you've done. All toppers of the batch. Let's get him on. Yes, Venkatraman sir, you can come in and share. Guys, be ready. I'm going to be back in just about 60 seconds. I have to use the bathroom, 1 or 2 minutes, okay? Amazing, guys. Thank you so much. Brilliant. Thank you for your patience with me. Okay, be ready to share. At least this point, you have to come and share. I'm going to get, Venkatraman sir. Let's get you on. Next people, be ready, okay? Oh my God, with camera, laptop.
Yes, sir.
Yes, let's go. Dreams made vivid. The villa. You didn't upload your photo?
I didn't do that.
Mama, you have to upload your photo, no? You saw how Balaji did it. Just put the prompt fast. Put any one or two photos, even if it is not so great. Passport photo is also okay. Lovable and Claude will work on it and they will make it, okay? Good. Can you do it right now? Just give this prompt. I'll give you the prompt. Those who have not uploaded the photo, use this prompt. Take my photo and tweak the images to suit that. I want the vision boards to be personalized to me. Upload a few photos of mine. Even if it is an old photo, it's fine. AI will do everything, okay? I've just kept it personalized to me and also add spirituality. One more thing Balaji did not do is spirituality you have to do. I have seen enough broke genius. Type BG in the chat box if you don't want to be a broke genius. Okay, I've seen enough people in IIT Madras who are the smartest guys who have no cash. I don't want you guys to be that. Okay, you have to be spiritual. You have to have a great relationship with your father, mother, mother-in-law, father-in-law, alive or dead, doesn't matter. And add the spirituality part. Okay, is everybody okay with that? Type O in the chat box if you're okay with that. Okay, yeah, just okay. But we'll come back. Just tweak your prompts and we'll come back to you. Okay.
Yeah.
It's just 1 second. In 5 seconds, you can finish that. But great work on this. Let's get the next person. Who's the next person? Ready? Oh my God, I got 11 submissions for this. Crazy, man. You guys can teach me agents. Yes. You have to submit the lovable app. Published app. Shweta, you need to upload a photo of yours. Very good. Upload your own photo, guys. Tamim has done it. Approximate photo is also fine. Okay, let's discuss yours then. Okay, why don't you upload any other lady's photo? Yes. Okay, let's get each person. Not ethical, but you won't do yours. So you're okay being shy and not doing the task. So even that is not ethical, no? There is no need of good pick because AI will take it and do it. Later means it's never done. It's never going to happen. I know that for sure. Okay, let's get Syed on. Let's get Rahul on. Let's see Rahul's. Yeah. I'm getting okay. Let's get Shweta on. Yes, she was the first person to do it. Yeah, Shweta, you can speak.
So for some reason, I'm not able to paste it in the community board, the actual link. It shortens to the main website link. So I've tried Googling and all those things also. So they've also done the adjustment. So that's why I created two tabs. One is for the private and one for the goals. Goals is the recent assignment that you've given.
You can just click edit the comment and paste it here, no?
No, it's not working actually. I've tried so many times. It automatically shrinks to the main website only. I went back to Lovable and asked them to redo it also. But then, see, on a different browser, I tried it on a different browser. It is working. But here
Okay,
in the community
this came. That's fine. This
huh.
came. If I don't upskill, okay, you want to read it out loud?
Your choice.
Bolo. Tell me.
Karo, sure.
You read.
You want me to read? Okay.
Yeah, it's personal to you, no?
Okay. So if I don't upskill in AI right now, I lose out on updated skills and higher income. This page is my public commitment to building a life of freedom, security, and
Yes.
purpose
I
by
love it.
teaching women the most future-proof skills of this decade, building AI agents.
Yeah.
So,
Teach beginners.
and
Don't teach advanced people. Teach like rural people and all. They're all. So don't. Okay. Yeah. Imagine once. Yeah. Mama, why are you doing dream car Maruti Suzuki?
that's the one we have.
That's
It's
it.
my
Dream is not what you have, what you want.
no. I'm not much into cars. This was one we got, and my late father loved it. So that's kind of
You say
as
jewel.
long as it works.
You say jewel.
I wouldn't be able to differentiate between an Audi and Mercedes Benz. Honestly, that's how bad I am. For me, it's functional.
I am a guy.
No.
I gave by mistake a car example. Why now?
Okay.
I will do Shama. Okay. You change
I
it.
didn't know it's okay. There are women who absolutely love cars. It's just me. I'm a unique piece. So
That's okay. But I want the goal to be personal to you. No. So you write jewelry, Tanishq jewelry, diamond carat, something you write.
Okay.
Change it fast. Change it fast.
Okay.
The more fake it is, the more you will be away from the goal. The more real it is.
Okay. Got it. So right now, I'm just focusing on getting it done. So I'll personalize it now. That understood.
Getting it done is the real thing in life. There's nothing else. This is the real thing.
No, but then this thing can be added later. No, so it's
Later,
like
no one
first.
thinks later in life. Later doesn't happen. I know that. I have enough gray hair on my head to know that. And I have lost enough hair to know that.
Okay, I'll change it. I'll make it more personal. I'll make it more
Now,
personal.
yeah,
Yeah,
parking.
I'll do it now. I'll do it now.
Very good. Dream vacation is good. Mountain cottage is very nice. I love that. Lake shimmering below is good. Parent security fund 6 crores is very good. Child's education is what?
See, my kids are different, no? So anything that is going to help them. So I can't specifically say this course is going to help them or something. So
Visualize something specific. See, Balaji said so nicely, his kids are in Singapore, some school. So the more specific.
Jay, my son has autism, so there's no specific course for that.
Daughter is there, no?
Yeah, so my daughter, for her, all the art illustration courses, I guess I can add that. Yeah.
Yeah,
I'll do that. Yeah.
in Harvard, she's doing art.
Okay.
For husband, you said I am Ahmedabad. No, why are you discounting your daughter?
I'm not. I'll be happiest person if she decides to do it.
Then dream big and move fast.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll rework the entire thing again. Yeah.
Not entire 5 minutes. Don't psych your brain saying I'll rework. I'll do after PhD.
No, whichever is impersonal, which has been taken from you, I'll rework that. It will not take much time.
Trick your brain, short circuit your brain saying in 5 minutes I'll do.
Yeah, sure. I'll do that.
So 499 is a good price point, 1.5. Don't teach advanced AI architecture. You will get technical.
I just went with this. So because I have no clue about this, I just trusted the expert here. That's all.
Good. Yeah, but use your human GPT also. Just change it. Basic
So
website making, vibe coding, all of these things you can teach.
Yeah.
Okay. Combined annual income 1.1 crore is good. 6 crores parents target fund is good. Very good. You don't want to support your in-laws?
Me? They already get nice pension. Yeah, I need the support more now.
What do
that
you...
is given now. That is given now. So that is that. I mean that shouldn't be a goal. That's a duty. That's not a goal. Something this thing. No. So
the vision board, the AI vision board is basically about what you do. Then I can say daughter studying in great college is also like a duty only. Write everything. Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
See, more important is health right now. So the money part is taken care of. It's just praying for and ensuring they're healthy. Money part is taken care of for them. So
hale and healthy for walking. Okay.
Yeah.
This time you've done this vision board exercise using AI?
Sorry?
First time you've done this exercise?
Yeah, absolutely.
How do you feel?
All this, it feels great. The hardest part is creating an account. Actually, that takes the longest time. The processing is much faster than that, but it gives a sense of achievement. Okay, I can also do this. It's not so complicated. So
Everybody, if you're inspired by Shweta, type I in the chat box. Awesome. So, okay, type I in the chat box if you're genuinely inspired. Shweta and me have a rapport, so you guys have to pardon us about that. Yes. Okay, good. Let's take the next person. Do the deep seek and this one. Anybody else wants to come and share nicely who has personalized it? Oh my God, I got 12 answers. You guys are crushing it. Claude also you've done good. Razia, I need you to share the link. Let's get Rahul. Rahul is very particular Olympiad. I love that. Rahul, let's get you on. Yes. Yes, Rahul sir. How many of you are curious about Rahul sir?
Yeah, hello.
Yes. Wow, I love this site. It's really well made.
Yeah, Lovable, I think, is very good.
Yes.
The only thing is, I think it gives a good understanding. It applies a
We
lot
need
of
your video.
intelligence also.
Yeah, start your video.
Oh, no, I tried a video. For some reason, it is not working today. I tried
No,
all
we saw
that.
you some time ago, no?
No, that time also it did not work. Let me.
You have to do headstand. When you do headstand, you'll get video on.
Yeah, right.
Are you okay if we keep it fun and fast, all of you? Type FF in the chat box. Okay, let's go
Yeah.
to the website. It's okay. Video is fine. Without that, it's fine. Job in your dream. If you don't upskill, here's what you do. Passive income. Okay. 5 bedroom.
I when I try to upload my actual photo now, after you said that, to tweak, the images, it is asking me to upgrade, but pay only in dollars. For some reason, it is not allowing in rupees.
No, it will. You have to just use any Indian debit or this one card for 500 rupees. You'll get it.
Okay.
Yeah, just double check in your net banking or whatever it is. UPI, you'll be able to pay. I paid in Indian only.
Okay.
It's worth it. 500 rupees for this one. Don't do more than the $5 plan. It's not required.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, so let's go through this. Dream vacation. Parents corpus is 2 crores you put. Tata Harrier is your dream car. Very good.
Yeah.
Your child, you want her to do MBBS plus MD.
Yeah.
Very good. Your daughter. Okay.
He likes it, so yeah.
Very good. Yeah. So you can put, this is your personal page. You can later add your daughter's photos, your wife's photos, your parents' photos,
Yeah.
like Balaji did. Teach Olympiad math to 7th to 10th. Tier 3. Okay. Olympiad is a good skill, but you can teach Olympiad?
Yeah. I mean, I've been good in maths and I like teaching maths also, maths, physics, especially. And I see there are classes in tier 1, tier 2 cities, right? In Pune, I see a lot of classes and yeah. But maybe my hometown where I come from, I don't think they have those kind of classes there. So maybe I can teach them online. And, if I target such kind of cities, tier 3 cities, that probably will help. And I'll also get satisfaction that I'm helping them.
You want to do Olympiad or you want to do IIT?
Yeah, I mean, I put Olympiad, but I think, I mean, all the maths, all IIT also, IIT JEE classes also, I can, I'll be happy to teach.
Okay, fine. That's good. 40 students are online. Did you play with this income calculator?
Yeah, a little bit, yes.
Yeah, so if, do L1 as 4,999. That's only better. I mean, up to you.
Yeah, I mean, tier 3 cities, I'm little, I don't know if I'll have to think.
5,000, there's a lot of 5,000 and all they'll pay. 1.5 lakh, you'll have to do a little more harder sale. 5,000. Father will have, mother will have. Don't do
Yeah.
110. 4999 means it should be lifetime. Good. Tata Harrier, 5 bit parents corpus. How many of you liked this? Type I in the chat box if you're inspired and you like it right now. Yes, perfect. Thank you so much. How do you feel overall?
Yeah, I like this. In fact, this one is very good. Lovable is very, very good. In even Claude gave good images. And yeah, I mean, it didn't publish. I don't know whether it can publish like Lovable, but it gave very good images and the text, and it also gave me some suggestions of what is more realistic, what should I try first, and all that.
Okay, good, brilliant.
In fact, it tried to tell me that I have to also reduce my cost, also investment while I'm doing. I cannot just take all revenue and all that.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Perfect.
Yeah.
Good, perfect, good. Type I in the chat box if you're genuinely inspired by Rahul sir, super fast action taker. Thank you so much. Good. Next person who wants to come and share. Let's get. So Rahul sir is done. Sweta is done. She's going to update her images. Rahul is done. Anybody else who is updated and who has done this on DeepSeek as well? Oh my God, I got 13. You have to submit the published link, guys. Submit the published link. Go and heart the message. You'll get a few more additional points. Let's take Faisal. Yes, let's take Faisal. Yeah. Faisal, let's get you on. Let's get Faisal sir on.
Hey, Jayant.
Yeah. Yes, that's a good answer. Wow, I love this. Dream house, villa with a garden, huge parking area. Is it in Hyderabad? Where is it?
I don't know.
Write that. Write what you want. My dream vacation, sitting at the edge of an infinity pool. Very good. You have a son?
No, actually, I have a daughter. I have two daughters, actually.
Okay, so write that. So change the prompt to your daughters, and you know what you want. You write it in the lovable itself. And
Sure.
parents.
Mhm.
Okay? And in-laws also you can write. Keep your spirituality also. You will be exactly what you think. If you've neglected here, in-laws, they're gone. Real life also. Okay. What do you build AI agents? You want to teach AI agents only? AI.
Yeah,
Okay, that's fine. Level 1, 5,000. And you want to do in like what? Hindi or English?
English.
Yeah. Hindi or English is also fine. Hindi, your cost will come down. Yeah. So if you have 20 students, yes, you get 1 lakh. 40. You played with these numbers?
Not actually.
Okay, just you've gone through them, no? Cursory.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. These numbers are comfortable for you?
Yeah, looks okay.
Okay, good. Fine. How many of you are inspired by Syed? Type I in the chat box. Super fast action taker. How do you feel?
Feels amazing, Jay. I mean, just 2 days has, taught me a lot.
Yes. Perfect. Very good. Amazing. Good. You're in good shape. Amazing to see you take action, even though you have busy profiles. Shifting and all is not easy. Yes. Okay, next person. We'll take one more person in the interest of time. Okay, no problem. Let's take one more person. Okay, that's fine if you have a payment issue. Oh my God, Krishnan, you've done it. No way. Let's get Krishnan, sir. And submit on the community. See, guys, community is my ground truth. That is also being monitored by the IITM Pravartak guys. Okay? Are you okay if IITM also monitors? Let's get Krishnan, sir. Krishnan, let's get you on. He's made it. He's done it. I love it. Your photo is here. That's the most important. Yes. You can start your video and audio. Yeah. You can unmute yourself, sir.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes. We can hear you loud and clear.
Yeah, this is a lovable one.
Yes.
Yeah, I think now I began to love lovable. Initially, I was hating it. I was having a lot of trouble with publishing. Yeah, I managed. Yeah, this is really awesome. Yeah, so
Amazing. My dream house, spacious, place for traveling. Cool. Yes, that's amazing. Large Japanese SUV, excellent Toyota Fortuner. Child's education, MS in economics. So one small tweak is keep it like your daughter is also getting great marks, like great education and a great personality.
okay.
Because
Okay.
education is not the outcome. The outcome is the values also should be good.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep US. I'm not a personal big believer of Britain. Britain's time is over. London School of Economics is a very good.
Yeah.
Parents' comfort, you can upload your parents and your
Yeah.
and keep spirituality also. Bungee jump once in a lifetime. Stand on the edge and yes, amazing. That's good.
Yeah, I missed it in New Zealand, so that's a regret. Yeah.
In Australia. Dream vacation. So you can also write with your spouse, like good moments, temple, and all that. You
Yes,
write
yes, yeah, we'll do that. Yeah.
and give it 2, 3 other photos because all the photos are coming from your checked. It's not
Yeah, correct.
rendered.
Yeah, I will. Yeah. Yeah, that's in the interest of time. So just trying to
No
figure
problem.
out.
Even this photo, you can crop it, you can rotate it, all
Yeah.
that. It will look like 3, 4 photos. This looks excellent.
Yeah.
Let's look at your niche. Analytics and mathematics. Yeah, so this is coaching, this is not consulting.
Yeah, see the math part only the coaching I have included. The consulting part I didn't include that.
Okay.
The monetary aspects in this simulator.
Okay, no problem. But this simulator looks good. So this is the first time you've created a drag and drop simulator for yourself?
No, I have done this in Tableau and other
Okay.
tools.
So you keep the price point. See, if you're doing students, 4,999 is a no-brainer in India. Everybody will pay. You
Okay.
can get money for your marketing straight away there. Okay. Per hour will not scale. See, for me, the reason this scales because there are hundreds and thousands of students. Scalability is everything. No, later, level one, you get that. L3, you can get more. And this is a tight niche. Maths to students. But what is the outcome of them if they learn maths? Like for IIT or for what is it?
No, it's not for IT. It's up till 9th and 10th. Mainly 9th and 10th I do. And I do coaching on analytics for corporate, like HDFC banks, Kotak Bank. So people from there come and try to learn analytics. So I teach them. That's one side. The other side is math for students.
Okay. The analytics for banks is a good market. You can't do two niches. So how many of you are okay if I tell you one secret? Type S in the chat box.
Yes.
Okay, so everybody can type S. I'll tell you a personal secret of mine. So IITM came to us earlier, and I was also a little bit, I got tempted. I became a little greedy, and we did blockchain coaching, and we made money. We made like 70, 80 lakhs. But I realized when you have two things going on at the same time, you lose focus. You can only nail one. To hit 1 crore a month, to hit 5 crores a month, you need only one market because reputation audience will get confused. So just keep one.
Yeah, I do agree because they asked me to teach physics and chemistry as well, but I can't, I'll be writing more than what I can chew. So I stuck only with analytics and maths.
Analytics
Yeah.
and AI, you say. AI agent and analytics, because that's a very good skill.
Yeah. That'll
Analytics.
be that'll be add on to this. Yeah.
Yeah, add on, and people will pay you 1.5, 2 lakhs. Your level 3 customers will easily pay you 2, 3 lakhs because corporate people have cash. They don't have trust on you. Trust will be
Yeah.
built in 1 month.
Mm.
In 2, 3 days, like a workshop like this, they'll fall in love with you. That's it. Okay. So you do that. Maths problem with students is it's a 2-point sale. You have to get the parent because the parent is the real buyer.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2-point sale, I've also not been very successful. Single point sale, I've been
Yeah.
very successful. 2-point sale, somehow the child will not do, then the parent will not have confidence on child. He won't know it to blame the student or blame the faculty. So my view is
Absolutely. Yeah.
on banks, you'll scale very fast. You can even scale in US.
Mhm.
Okay, good. Awesome. How many of you like Krishnan's and our one-to-one feedback on that? Type I if you're inspired by that. First time doing this overall?
Yes, the very first time.
Yes. How was your experience with Grok and Claude?
Claude I have used extensively. So Claude is a go-to tool for any math or any analytic stuff. I love Claude, but they are not very great in pictures. Not as good as Lovable. Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Good. Amazing. Awesome. Type I in the chat box if you're genuinely inspired by Krishnan sir, who's I think going to become a very big coach. And yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Yes.
much. Perfect. Good. Anybody else who's finished the task? How many of you are genuinely inspired by the community? See, the real difference was he had put his photos. When you put your photos, it'll be, you have to put it on the community, okay? Oh my God, I got 14 responses. Okay. Anybody else who's left? Venkat Kopu and others? Anybody else who's left with doing this task? Let's take Venkatraman. Venkatraman, did you upload your photos? Yes, you have uploaded your photos. Let's get you on. Quick action taker. Venkatraman, let's go for you. Yes. Yes, you can unmute and keep your camera on, sir. Yeah, go for it.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes. Let's look at your vision board. Oh my God. Oh my God, I love this picture, the villa. You look like a hero only.
Yes.
Mercedes-Benz is good. Yeah, it's a 1.5. Global University. Imagine handling a child passport to any campus in the world. Okay. You can say Ivy League. No, say Harvard or Stanford, MIT, like that you say. Yeah. Dream vacation is good. Parents 10 crore fund is good. Why are you guys not mentioning in-laws? I know I didn't mention it, but you can mention it now. Spirituality also you mentioned. Cool.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not sharing. Okay, sorry, my mistake. Yeah, so but I did not share. So this is Venkatraman. He had uploaded his photo. It looks really good. And Mercedes-Benz and Global University, you tweak it to one specific university. I've seen more specificity.
Sure.
So Stanford, I didn't submit a document and I didn't get in. They had waitlisted me and all that, but I got into Columbia. Columbia was not my dream university. My dream university was Stanford and others, but I realized I didn't manifest it properly. So everything is about the manifestation and this very powerful technique. Okay, coaching priced with intent, 4,999, 1.5 lakhs, very good. What one batch can earn? 1 lakh is good. 40 students means 2 lakhs, good. So let's take you take 20 students. You get this. Level 3, you get 2 students at that point. 10% of your students will buy this. Let's take this. Batches per month, you just do 1 batch. That's enough. One batch in 3 months is also fine. No, batches per month, you can remove this. These numbers are comfortable for you?
Yeah, I'm good with that.
Good. Dream vacation, dreams unlocked in 1 year. This is also good. Imagine I could do this, then again. Okay, good. Excellent. How do you feel?
Great, Jay.
Okay, good. Excellent. First time you did like a proper vision board using AI and 3 tools?
That's correct. That's correct.
Mhm.
Yeah, first time website building as well.
Yeah. What was your experience learning DeepSeek, Claude, and Lovable a little more deeper?
Yeah, Claude I have used before, but DeepSeek, yeah, and Grok today only I started.
Okay.
Yeah,
Good.
it was good.
Awesome. Type I in the chat box if you're genuinely inspired by Venkatraman, who had quickly done the changes on the fly, and it looks really nice. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Now, I might not be able to call out everybody because interest of time. Okay, cool. So tomorrow, that brings us to the end of the session. I want each and everybody to congratulate each other by hearting the message. Go on to the app and heart the message of everybody else. You get points for this. Okay? Encourage the community, guys. And those of you who are not done, can I have your commitment? You will do it and you'll go to the top of the leaderboard. And how many of you have not submitted the gold waitlist form? Type G in the chat box if you have not. If you need one last. So I just got information from the team that we have a few spots left for the IITM Pravartak. Apply for the gold. Type G in the chat box if you're ready to. If you have not submitted the gold. If you have not submitted gold, type G in the chat box and I'll give it to you the form once. Shweta, I don't know if you have submitted. Have you? And for those of you who have submitted, pray that you can get in. Tomorrow, bring a deposit of 20,000 rupees and you can come in for this one, okay? If you get selected, I'll let you know tomorrow itself, okay? And we don't take in everybody else. So get a deposit of 20. Okay, you submitted the gold form on this. Okay, good, Shweta. Type 2 in the chat box if you're ready to get 20,000 tomorrow itself. And you can enroll into the IITM Pravartak AI program. Yes? The submissions I got are yeah, Shweta, I got yours. Muhammad, I got yours. Venkatraman, I got. Razia, I got. Ganapati, Syed, Krishnan, Rahul, Balaji. Yes. Who has not submitted the form? Type G in the chat box if you want the form. Okay. Now, one last task for you in terms of homework. Okay. In terms of homework. If you guys, yes, I got 13 submissions. Venkat Kopu, did you submit the form, application form G? Yes. So submit it right now. Yeah. Venkat Hanuman, please submit it right now and pray that you can get in. Okay. So tomorrow, keep your deposit ready of 20,000. Okay. And for those of you who have submitted, I have a task for you. Type T in the chat box if you want me to tell you the task. Are you up for the challenge? Type T in the chat box if you're ready for the challenge. Okay. So today you have still 24 or whatever, 18 hours left. Until tomorrow's session, no notification will be sent. Whatever is your rank on the leaderboard, I want you to keep rising on top of the leaderboard. Okay. So type your rank on the leaderboard right now. Once again, I'll go back here. Your rank on the leaderboard should be visible in the first page. Okay. So you go back here or community. Your rank should be visible. Type your rank in the chat box. Whatever is your rank is fine. Okay. So for instance, my rank on this demo account is 1428. So type your rank in the chat box. Okay. And my request to you is whatever is your rank, do the maximum Yes, do the maximum and try to be at least improving 50% of that. Can I have your commitment? You will try to improve as much as possible. Type 5 in the chat box. 5 for 50% by tomorrow. Try to race to the top of the leaderboard as much as possible, whatever it is. Put your hard work, sincerity, because we want growth. Growth is the most important from where you are to what you have been doing. Okay? Is that okay? Yes. And how many of you want to get into the IIT and you deserve? Type IIT in the chat box. I in the chat box. Yeah. So if somebody's rank is 837, try to improve 50%, which is becoming 400 rank. Yes. So type IIT or I in the chat box if you're going to come ready. Pray that you can get in. Pray to every favorite god of yours so that you get. And how many of you genuinely like the community style learning where I am pushing you? I know, I apologize, I might be a little pushy, but I want the task done. Type I in the chat, IIT in the chat box if you're okay with that. Yes. How many of you like it where I'm authentic, genuine, and I'm genuinely telling you? Type IIT in the chat box if you're okay with that. Yes. And AI agent, you can't go wrong. AI, you cannot go wrong. So type IIT in the chat box. If you want to learn tomorrow more serious and fun things, which will skyrocket. Now you have your vision board set, you have your goal set, and don't say, I just did it. You have done it. It's your hands, your this thing. Start believing in it. Type IIT in the chat box if you're going to be committed and doing the homework. And I want to see everybody top the leaderboard. You're not going to drink coffee. Don't even brush. Forget brushing. Continue on top of the leaderboard. Can I have your commitment? Type IIT in the chat box by tomorrow morning. Tomorrow evening, sorry. Yes or no? Yeah. If you get a WhatsApp message, chuck it. If there's TV on, chuck it. Husband's calling you, chuck it. Nothing is more important than you. You might not believe it, but I believe in you. And you have done it, not me. How many of you have done all these exercises, you or me? Magically, we didn't do it. You did it. You sat it, right? And death comes by 1,000 cuts. So there is nothing important in life. I don't have a single notification on my phone. I sit and I serve. How many of you want to do this for yourself and making each one of your vision boards true? Type IIT in the chat box. Come tomorrow ready with a 20,000 deposit. If you're selected, then and there, paid, commit and get in and make a serious decision. Gold people actually get a lot of results because they'll be building on top of this. How many of you want all your vision board dreams genuinely true? Type IIT in the chat box. Yes. And more importantly, focus on your rank also and improve it by tomorrow. Okay. And now I want everybody, this is going to be online only. It's going to be online. Okay. I want everybody to unmute and tell me your rank by tomorrow morning. By tomorrow evening. Publicly commit your best rank possible. And I don't want an Indian dialogue. I will improve. I will try. Yeah, sure. Yes, yes, yes. I don't want any Indian. I want Swiss dialogue. I'm going to give you 2 seconds, unmute and say, let's go first with Ganapati sir. Yes, go for it. What will be your rank by tomorrow? Yeah, I'll explain tomorrow. Tomorrow only I'll be explaining that. Ganapati sir, what will be your rank by tomorrow?
I think, as you said, 50% up.
Which is how much?
I think I'm in 837 now.
Okay, so how much is that?
So around 1600.
No, rank is improving. No, so.
Oh, sorry, minus that. 400 or so.
Yes, very good. So by what time?
Well, I committed myself yesterday, and I'm actually satisfied with what I did. So let's see how it works today.
By what time
after
do
this?
you do?
Maybe evening, 5.
Very good. That is Swiss time or India time?
India time, for sure.
Okay, there's a little bit of sarcasm there. Okay, good. Okay, type G for Ganapati sir, who's going to half his score, which is improving in the rank, which is 400. Super inspiring to see him take action and do it. Okay, good. Let's take one other person. So he's publicly committed now. Next person. Krishnan. Already the topper. What is going to rank be by tomorrow? Same time.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. Now I'm 78. I reckon as day 3, the topics might be a challenge. So probably I'll try 50 by
Yes.
5 o'clock.
I love it. By what time?
Yeah, by 4:30 p.m., 5 o'clock. Yeah, tomorrow IST, Indian time.
4:30 or 5?
5 o'clock, Indian time.
Indian time
Evening.
or Swiss time means what? Not the
No.
literal 50. You know, when
Okay.
people say
5
4:50.
p.m. India time.
Yes. Okay, good, good. Okay, good. Awesome. Thank you so much. Everybody type I in the chat box if you're inspired by Krishnan, who had publicly committed. Next, let's take the next. Okay, let's take Shweta. Publicly commit.
So I'm 144 of 1902. I think that's the correct one. So maybe 99 by 130.
Okay, you'll be ranked 100 by 9:30.
No, by 130.
By 1:30,
130.
100. Okay, good.
So
Okay, wow. That was a Swiss dialogue, a German dialogue. Very clear, she said. Well, very good. Are you sure you're not Indian, but you're German secretly?
pretty sure.
Pretty sure. You check with your parents.
No, my uncle is a German professor, if that counts. So
No, 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 that is the Indian person learning. German is different from others.
no, pakka proper Indian. Happy to be Indian.
Okay, perfect. She's going to be in the top 100 by tomorrow 1:30. Type I if you're super inspired by Sheta, man, who's publicly declared. Next year, the next person, Rahul. Declaration, bolo.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
My rank is 602 currently.
Yes.
And yeah, and I'll be in the 500. So 500 or above by tomorrow evening, 5 o'clock.
500 is nothing. 100 points, how will you? That is nothing. That is Chujupi. You have to commit
No,
something.
rank I'm saying.
So you're at 600, no?
Yes.
No, you have 50% of 600 is how much?
Oh, 300.
Ah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let me commit that. Yes. Okay.
Okay, what? Indian okay commitment or German okay commitment?
Uh, German on the way, Dubai.
Good, good. By what time?
Tomorrow evening, 6 o'clock before our class starts.
Okay, done. Excellent. Type I in the chat box if you're inspired by Rahul. Who is next? Who wants to publicly commit now? Razia from Bhopal. Let's get you on, ma'am. Did you fix? Let's get Balaji to commit. Yes, Balaji, you can commit.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
We can hear you.
Yeah. So currently I'm in 549. I would have trying to go 200, 250 by tomorrow evening IST time around 5 p.m.
Very good. 200 or 250? Which one?
250. I'm sure 250 pure.
No, no, don't do more than that. If you get more rank, you'll be much better student, no? Okay. Okay. Good. Everybody type I in the chat box if you're inspired by Balaji. Guys, more rank is better, okay? Not less rank. Razia, your audio is working, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Bolo. Yes, good to hear you, ma'am. Silent action taker. Very good.
Yeah, I'm at right now at 835
Okay.
and I commit under 400
By what time?
by 4 p.m.
Oh my God, German time बोल दिया आपने? You sure? You're not secretly German
Yeah, sure.
or Japanese? You sure you're from Madhya Pradesh only?
Yeah, Madhya Pradesh only.
Okay, good, good. By 4 p.m. Excellent. Good. Next person. Let's take the next person in. Anybody else who wants to publicly commit? Take this opportunity. Venkatraman, have you committed? I think so yet. Right? All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to up the ante and pray that you get in and get 20,000 rupees to get into the IITM if you're selected, when you're selected. So type IIT in the chat box one last time and we'll see you tomorrow. Come prepared. I'll give you all the details. Then and there you make the decision, a serious decision, and come in. Yes, perfect. And I look forward to serving you and supporting you. And sorry if I was a little pushy, but I want you guys to get the best out of yourself. All of my mentors, etc., who came into my life and they changed my life, well, they saw something in me even though I didn't believe in myself. Are you okay if I have that on you? So type IIT in the chat box if that is okay. That includes my father, my mother, my biggest supporter. All the time, from the time I was born, she used to say, "You're going to be great. You're going to be great. You're going to be great." And I eventually became that. My brother never did ever show any hesitation or sort of this. My mentors at IIT Madras, my faculty at Columbia University, even till date, they support me. And all of my one of my best friends in business as well. So, and I want you to get to that. And currently, even our institute partners, IITM, they have more confidence in us than us. And I want to be giving you that energy coming from that space of purity. Are you okay taking that? Type IIT in the chat box. Capstone project and number guessing game is not open. That is, there are prompts for signups. They're slightly different. Okay. We'll work on that tomorrow. Awesome. Thank you so much. I'm always available. Email j@pixeltest.com in case you have any questions. We'll see you tomorrow. Don't sleep, don't eat, but take the game seriously. When I say that, have a balanced approach, but go berserk, go insane on your this. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.